7th graders. This short video will walk you through how to use our Progress app for monitoring your progress during our game of life. While I can track your progress by just looking at assignments submitted within Schoology, the Progress app gives you an opportunity to better keep track of where you leave off at in between assignments and to communicate to me where you're at and how things are going. To use the app, first click on the link on Progress app in our Schoology update banner. When you do so, it will open up a page in a website called Glide App. Glide App is an app that I've created for our game of life. When you open this app, it'll ask you to sign in. This is an important step in using the app. Please click the Sign In with Google button. It will ask you to select your school Google account. If you're already signed in, it should push you straight through to this page. The app is a phone app that you can access on your school Chromebook, or if you choose to, you can follow directions and learn how to put it on your phone directly. Here's how we're going to use the app. First, click on the stacked lines to make sure that your name and email is what shows up as the registered user. If you want to, you can click on the icon and select your own school appropriate icon that you can put in to represent your user profile. When you're done, you can close out and return here. The home page of the app simply tells you how to use this and reminds you what each of the sections are for. The My Life tab is where you will keep track of what's going on in your fictitious game of life. It will list your name, any experience points that I award you for completing projects throughout the course. It will also remind you what level of the game you're working on. We all start out in high school, so it will remind you that you're working through there in the Schoology app. For fun, each stage of life will let you select some things that are custom to how you're progressing through the game. You have a place where you can live. While in high school, you'll stay at your family's house. You'll have your own transportation of how you get to school, and if you unlock rewards, you'll have the ability to include pets that you have. When you want to check and see if options are available to change, for the thing that you want to change, like My Transportation, you simply turn on the button just beneath it, and it'll tell you if there are any options that you can select. If you choose that you want to be a school walker, you simply update it, and it will update your value of how you progress through the game. You can turn the app off when you've made your selection. Again, these are just for fun and will include rewards as we roll through the game in the future. Now, here's an important part for tracking progress. The Assignments tab. The Assignments tab is another place that represents all of the projects that have to be completed in that game level. When you click on a project, it'll simply bring you to a page that says if the project is completed or not. When you finish a project and you submit it in Schoology, mark a reminder to yourself by checking the heart that you've completed the project. It'll remember this every time that you sign into the app so that you have a quick visual way to know what you have and have not completed. Another way to help progress track and monitor is the Life Coach tab. The Life Coach tab is a way for you to keep notes on your progress in the game. So if you left off at video 3 on a particular assignment, you can leave a note that says you are on video number 3. It will store this note every time you sign in and out of the app. If you need help during the game, you can message me in Schoology. You can also choose the Get Help from a Life Coach. That will link you up with me and tell me how you can get what help you need and how fast you need it so that I know I can help you and prioritize your needs above others that can wait. If you have any details, you can list them here. Agree to wait on the project until I can help. And then up at the top, you can submit that request for help. It'll come to me and I'll get back to you immediately. If I can't get back to you immediately, I'll message you in Schoology so that you can pause, move on to other work, and know that you can come back and start after I've given you help. Again, this is our life tracking app. You should update this every time after you do work in our 7th grade computer class. All right, thanks guys.